Students of class 3, we have come back to our social studies class. We have started our chapter 10, our rich heritage. Open page 68. Epics and folk tales. Epics and folk tales. What is epic? An epic is a long poem that tells the story of heroes and their achievements and their adventures. The Ramayana and the Mahabharata are epics. They are written in Sanskrit. Yes, what is an epic? An epic is a long poem that tells the story of heroes and their achievements or their adventures. The Ramayana and the Mahabharata are our epics. They are written in Sanskrit. The Ramayana is the story of Rama, the son of Dasharatha, the king of Ajodha. Yes, you know, Rama, his wife Sita, and his younger brother Lakshmana were sent away from Ayodhya for 14 years. They lived in the forest. One day, Ravana, the king of Lanka, took Sita away with him. Rama and Lakshmana, with the help of Hanuman, defeated Ravana and brought back Sita. This is the gist of the Ramayana. And the Mahabharata is the story of Pandavas and Kauravas. They were cousins. They fought for the throne of Hastinapur. In the end, the Pandavas won the battle. This is the gist of the story of Mahabharata. There's long story. Folk tales. A folk tale is a story told by people and passed from one generation to another. There is no one author for a folk tale. Thus, it is told differently by different people. Okay, what is a folk tale? A folk tale is a story told by people and passed from one generation to another. A folk tale is a story told by people and passed from one generation to another. Yes, there is no author for a folk tale. Yes, here is a picture of the chariot, Lord Krishna driving Arjuna's chariot, a scene from Mahabharata. Yes. The Panchatantra is a collection of fables. A fable is a short story that teach a lesson through animal characters. Yes. Panchatantra is a collection of fables. A fable is a short story that teaches a lesson through animal characters. Written in Sanskrit, the Panchatantra teaches us about values. The Jatakas are a collection of stories and fables. So we have to learn the definitions. Yes? Yes, festivals. Yes, many festivals are celebrated in our country. A festival is a time for fun, eating special dishes, wearing new clothes, and meeting relatives and friends. Yes, we have just passed Durga Puja festival, isn't it? The festival can be grouped into three categories. Yes, festival can be grouped into three categories. What are they? National festivals, religious festivals, harvest festivals. Is clear? There are three types of festivals. What are they? National festivals, religious festivals, and harvest festivals. Yes, the name is recognize the nature of the festivals. National festivals. What are the national festivals? National festivals. What are they? Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Birthday. These are the national festivals. It is celebrated throughout nation. We celebrate Republic Day every year on 26th January, isn't it? The president hoists the national flag at Rajpath, New Delhi. This is followed by a grand parade. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort in Delhi. On this day, we remember those who fought for the freedom of our country. We also celebrate the day in our school by hoisting national flag, and performing some activities. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Sorry, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. A prayer meeting is held at Rajghat, the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi in Delhi. So, where do you get the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi? At Rajghat in Delhi. Yes, now we are coming to religious festival. Festival related to a particular religion is called religious festivals. We celebrate many religious festivals. What are they? Holi, Dashera, Diwali or Deepavali, Guru Parv, Eid ul Fitr, Eid ul Juha, Christmas, Buddha Purnima, Mahavir Jayanti. Yes, what is Holi? Holi is called a festival of colors. Holi usually celebrated in March. People play with gulal and splash colored water on one another. Yes, Dashera is also called the Vijayadashami. Celebrates Dashera celebrates the victory of good over evil. Dashera is the main attraction of Dashera is the Ram Leela. Diwali or Deepavali is called the festival of lights. It is usually celebrated in the month of October and November. People decorate their houses with diyas, candles, and lights. Yes, Deepavali is coming now. Yes, Guru Parv. It is celebrated to honor and remember the 10 Sikh Gurus. It is the prayers and langars are held in Gurudwaras. This Parv, this Guru Parv, people decorate their houses with diyas and candles and lights. Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Juha, two main Eids that people celebrate. People offer Eid namaz, that is prayer, in mosques. Sweet dishes called Shivain is prepared on Eid al Fitr. Christmas, birthday of Jesus Christ, celebrated on 25th December. Special prayers are held in churches. People put up decorated Christmas tree in their houses and offices. Buddha Purnima, the birthday of Gautama Buddha. Mahavir Jayanti, birthday of Lord Mahavira. These are the religious festivals. So, we have to solve some problems here. The Ramayana and the Mahabharata are the two epics. We celebrate three national festivals. Holi is a harvest festival. True or false? It is false. Holi is a religious festival. Which festival is called a festival of light? Diwali or Deepavali? Yes, harvest festival. Harvest festival are related when the crops have been cut. Harvest is related to the crop. Different harvest festivals are celebrated in different parts of our country at different times. Yes, it is celebrated in different parts of the country in different times, at different times. Boishakhi, the harvest festivals of Punjab. It is celebrated in April. Bihu, You can see the picture of Bihu here. Bihu dance is popular dance performed during Bihu festival. Both men and women perform this dance. Bihu is a harvest festival of Assam. It is celebrated 3 times in a year. Music and dance are a part of the celebrations. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated in January. People make columns to decorate their houses. Kolam means pattern made by rice powder. Onam. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. It is celebrated in August September. A special feast called Onam Sadhya is prepared. Boat races are held during this time. India has rich heritage. We are proud to be Indians. Is Bhalamkali is a traditional boat race held during Onam. The boat can carry about 100 people. Yes, we can see the picture in our book. So we have to learn the chapter nicely. Yes, here is some important things. It is a fact. It's given here in the box. Some people celebrate the coming of a new year as a festival. Navroz is a Parsi New Year. Yes. So thank you for today. We'll do the question answers next day.